Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents It is not a joke, do this and your hair will grow a lot in 15 days. The subject of hair is a subject that concerns not only women but men as well. Do you wish your hair was thicker, longer and healthier looking? It's not just genetics that can affect how your hair looks. Your diet can also play a big part. Today in this video for hair growth, I will not talk about a homemade shampoo, but a juice to drink. Long hair is one of the many characteristics that define women and even forms part of the system that protects your body against damage. The hair follicles lap up nutrients, so if you're eating and drinking the right things, it's a lot more likely to lead to hair growth and stronger, healthier hair in general. This time I bring a very simple yet powerful treatment or home remedies that promises to remedy hair loss problems faster than we imagine. This is the best treatment for hair growth of all time, but first let's look at the most common causes of hair loss. It is very important to take care of what we eat since it is directly related to this problem and any other health problem. The taking of some medications causes the involuntary loss of hair. Age is also a very common and important factor, and as time passes it shows a lot in our hair as in other parts of the body. Friends, this is an amazing home remedy. I'm sharing it with you and you will not believe as the hairs will not stop growing. Here is how you can make it. Ingredients. Number 1, 2 avocados. Number 2, 4 green peppers. Number 3, a little olive oil. Number 4, a little water. Preparation. Let's prepare the cut of a vegetable. We add all clean ingredients to the blender. Let's drink a glass of this juice every day on an empty stomach. To see the results faster, you can drink another glass before going to bed. Do give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.